In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the hood insulation on this Volkswagen Beetle. This is going to be located under the hood. Let's get into it. Take the insulation. You want to line this up underneath here. And you want to see any of these cutouts that need to be cut out. You can see right here, there's a little bumper right there. You want to cut that one out, and then same on the other side, this one. This one right here is okay, and that one's okay. It's not going to be in the way, so we'll cut those out. Just going to use some scissors. And these are pretty difficult to cut out. You might want to use some side cutters. Take that out, and then same on this one. Cut that out. We're going to use these style hold down retainers. They are made specifically for this. Just line this up. This is going to go right here. And just push it in place. Go over here. And line those up. And those are all in, and it's secure. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.